Okay, so in this video we will learn how to use the Microsoft app configuration using the Springboard. So we have two steps: create an app configuration in the Microsoft Azure, and the second one is create a Springboard application. So let's start with the first one. So go to the app configuration. So here, as of now, we do have one. We'll delete that and we'll create the new one. So let's delete this. I'll create a new one. So first of all, go to in the search bar. You can find out app configuration. Create a new app configuration. Pricing tier, you can, for learning purpose, you can select the free tier. First of all, create or select the existing resource group, that is I do have. Okay, and here you should put a unique name. So I can just say any name that you feel. I'm just using the okay, it is already there, so let's make it 2. Okay, so now we can create. Click on create. It is still in the progress. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so go to the resource, go to configuration explorer, click on create, click on key value, and now here we can put key and values. For example, I'll use the message 1 and message 2. So message 1 and value should be hello 1. We'll create another one. This should be message 2 and value should be hello 2. Okay, so now the second step is create Springboard application, web application. So go to the Spring Initializer and give it a unique name. App config demo 007. Any name you can put as per your requirement. Just click on the dependency as a web and click on the generate. So copy it into the location that you want in your local directory. I'll keep into my work directory. I'll extract it. So in the Spring Eclipse or IntelliJ or any other ID that you use, just import the project. The first thing that you need to change is, as of now, what I tried is the current version have some problem in the compilation for some of the deprecation classes that we are using for the developing. So I'm just using the previous version. So instead of this, I'll use 2.1.9 release. If you are using the current version, then you may probably get some runtime error related to the some of the classes, configuration property related classes. But for the sake of learning how to connect to Azure app configuration or how to use app configuration, we are just using the 2.1.9 release, and there are some of the compilation issues where we can resolve. maybe an update. Then we have to add one more dependency that is related to the specifically related to the Azure app configuration. So this is the event dependency we are using. Then let's create some of the classes, simple two classes. One is controller and another is message property class. So let's first create the message property class. I'll copy and I will change some of the property. So let's move the we have two properties, this message 1 and message 2. Okay, now let's create a setters and getters. Okay, now let's create a controller, a REST controller. Okay, so now let's make two get mapping, two endpoints, message 1 and message 2, message 1 and message 2, 1 and message. So here we will have to change the endpoint 1 and message 2. Okay, now we have to also annotate the enable configuration properties to enable the configuration that we have done for the message 1 and 2. So this is the annotation that we have to use. I think we are ready, we are not missing anything. Yes, we are missing one thing, that is the important thing. So we have to create a bootstrap.properties, should be in the resource folder just nearby application.properties, and put this entry. So instead of this app configuration, so here this is an app configuration connection. So where can we find it? So we should go to the your app configuration, to the left panel you can search for access. So what it was asking for? Connection, right? App configuration connection. So we should choose the connection. So this is the connection. Just copy and paste into here, and I guess we are done. So let's run the application. Okay, so we started on A0 port. So let's check. So message 1, hello 1, and message 2, hello. So it is so simple. We can just add any configuration into Azure website or into app configuration, and we can use it to the Springboard application. So thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next